You know when you ride through somewhere and it just looks expensive?
Yeah, it looks like riding through is probably the only thing I can afford to do here. And you've got to own a Porsche or a Maserati. We're going down right here. We're following these fancy cars. Wonder if these three are together, these cars. Spa. Do you know what? There's more spas in other countries than there is at home. You think you always associate with it being a British thing, don't you? But they're everywhere. I mean, when we were in Mallorca, there were bloody loads of them, weren't there? They sound pretty good, all three of them. We're going over there towards them there hills. Sat nav's corrected itself. Well, I have to say that's a pretty big hill. Yeah, that's definitely a big hill. Truck's pulling off, that's probably a good thing. Only they are, both of them. There's only us going straight up here. What's going on? Do they know something we don't? Look at this, just look up. Wow, that's pretty cool, that. Looks like they're just clearing this up now, this roadworks. We just arrived 5 minutes too early. Hard banana, what's that all about? And a picture of a cock. Weird. Oh, and a train as well. Both directions. It's a freight train or something. It's carrying tanks. Looks like we're going to be following it round Valley now. That's quite cool, isn't it? They're taking beer to our next campsite. That Sheldon's in town, he likes a drink. Right, you better bring us a 1,000,000 gallon. Faster than a speeding train, this GS, look. Whoa, come on. The views here are just amazing. Well, it's just behind us, that train now. I see it in my mirror. But that bugger's chasing me. Yeah, it's up. Well, yeah, we're under speed limit, well under. It's 100 kilometres. I know it is, yeah. It is, it's quite a nice experience. Never done that before. Yeah, so coming up to a roundabout, I think. Get to a crossing first before train gets here. We'll have to wait for the bugger.
A few miles down the road we see a lay-by, opposite a huge mountain. It was such a scenic view and an opportunity not to have missed. We had to pull in.
Well folks, we've pulled over and there's a good reason why we pulled over. A, there were a decent parking spot for a change, and B, look at that view. Oh my god, can't even see the top of it. It's disappeared into clouds, that's a big mountain. Oh, there's that train that we were racing with. It's gone past now, we've stopped over there. Watch your back. I think I'll have to get my phone and take a picture of that. Because, not lying, that is epic. Wow. That is definitely the biggest mountain I've ever seen in my life. That is unbelievable, Jeff. Might as well take a picture at bikes while I'm here, because, you know, that's what we do, innit? Try and do it without getting the bin on. I mean, who the hell wants the bin on the photo? Where's your bin? Okay, I'll take the bin off after, I suppose. Crop it. Ah, that is some mountain, that. You can't take a picture at the bottom of it because you got to like miss half of it. Can I zoom back? Oh, I can. Oh, what a good do. See, my phone does more magic than I thought it did. Try and get it when there's a wagon going past over there. For scale. That'll do, I've got a van. I'm going to go one better than it, and I'm going to build my house on top of that. Then again, it'd be cold, wouldn't it? It'd be cold up there. Yeah, when you're nipping out at morning for paper, it'd be a bit of a ball ache. Unless you get yourself a gold lift, like Hitler did. The castle. What would it call? The castle. Eagles de Castle. Copy. Google Maps. We're 5 minutes away from Castle.
Oh right, okay. Right, that's right then.
So that's Castle. We're obviously coming down that way, so obviously the river's on our right.
So if we go to Castle,
sorry, left,
and then get a campsite, or unless you want to do that.
Not bothered. We can do Castle, and then we'll go and get a campsite. We'll do it past tomorrow.
Yeah, because
I was getting it in today, but what time is it now? It's nearly 3:30 now.
Yeah.
So taking on something else after that tackle, it's that Castle. It's going to be late. Hey, do you mean it's going to be dry when I put my tent up and stay dry?
Okay.
Probably don't speak English. I thought it was taking us back to a campsite from this morning. I thought we were doing a bit massive loop, which in a normal day wouldn't be a bad thing, but
I couldn't bear to go back on that mud.
no. Do you know when we first arrived, I thought it looked a decent campsite, that, and then, you know, where we were pitching looked alright.
Yeah, I think it was.
But once the rain started, it just turned to a mud bath.
In good weather, that would be great. I think we need to use gravel or whatever we do with them.
I'm not joking, everything got covered in mud. I looked like I'd been to Glastonbury. She looked me up and down, you know, went to pay at the campsite.
Yeah.
She looked me up and down like, what the hell's happened to you? I'm thinking, it's your bloody campsite that's done this to me. Now we've had the epic view. Love an epic view. Epic. Right then. Button pressed. Bike lights up. Press a button. Makes a noise. That's good. One last look at the cloudy mountain. GPS connected in my head. You right? Road's clear, road's clear. That was a good place to stop, weren't it, with that view? Yeah, these mountains are pretty cool, can't lie. Oh, there's the castle. Oh, look at that, what a view. The castle's just coming into view right in that V in the mountains there. Looks absolutely fantastic. That's a proper castle, that's no messing about. This is absolutely cool. 100 mile an hour on here, 100 mile an hour, 100 kilometres an hour. Oh, right under castle. Oh, just look at it. Come on, that's awesome. That is epic. Pulling over here, is this it here?
The plan was to buy a ticket and do the full tour, at least spend a few hours here and have a good look round this castle with a guided tour. However, and not for the first time on this trip, the rain will put paid to them plans.
You're joking?
The rain seemed nothing at first, but within 20 minutes I'd have wet underpants, and it wasn't because I were excited.
Oh, I don't want rain now, just as we're going to get to camp again. Unreal. Look at me bloody... that from this morning still. Everything's caked in crap. I want to see inside.
€15.
What are you going to do?
Just a bit worried about the f***ing rain now.
It's the time, not more than anything.
Yeah. If we're getting up there and getting back. We can come back if the campsite close by.
We decided to find the campsite closest to the castle and then visit the full tour on this first thing in the morning. It seems a simple enough plan,
Yeah.
but it wasn't.
What? One close by?
Yeah. It's 10 miles to the campsite and then come back in the morning. Because otherwise, it's, like I said before.
We'll do that then when we get to the campsite.
Yeah, I just want to get set up and have half a chance at it, not absolutely leathering it down while we're doing so.
And here comes my fatal mistake. Thinking it was just light rain, I didn't put the waterproofs on. That I would live to regret.
Form the campsite.
Right, so I'll follow you to the campsite then. Lead the way. Not just yet, I haven't got my gloves on. See, this is why I go keyless. It's a busy road, this. Like I say, I think this road takes people around the mountain. I don't think there is many. That's why it's so busy. Yep, rain.
In the next video, we travel to our campsite for the night. Nutters in cars.
I've seen it all now. I thought I'd seen it all when I saw a cow in front garden.
Really enjoying the weather.
Can't believe this weather, me. Really pissed off with it.
Wild exaggeration.
I'm sleeping outside of Everest.
Cold nether regions.
I'm getting wet now, it's coming through my pants.
Accurate observations.
Can't believe the feature of this trip is just pissed down weather all the time.
Total euphoria.
This day, I'm not joking, it couldn't get any worse.
Sharing opinions.
I'm having a bad day. This has been the worst day on trip for me. 100%.
Confessions of a wet biker.
I've just had a sit down and a whinge on camera.